Next section, motives and behavior. Motivation determine individual behavior and organizational behavior. Research shows that human beings have an innate capacity for pro-social behavior, but the inclination underlying such behavior can be blocking, inhibited, or overpowered by selfish, neurotic, etc. Genes, personality, past social experiences, social and cultural identities, contextual factors can also influence the degree to which human behavior is empathetic, generous, and kind or destructive. Let us discuss models of motivation and behavior. Motivation determine individual behavior and organizational behavior. Theories or models of motivation and behavior. First theory, theory of unconscious motive. Second, Alderfield's ERG theory. 3. Hertzberg's two-factor theory. 4. Reinforcement theory. 5. McGregor's theory of X and Y. 6. Chris Argyris theory. Detail going on. First, theory of unconscious motivation. According to Freud, motivating impulses that influence behavior without consciousness, awareness. TAM, Freudian slip, refers to the manifestation of these unconscious impulses. For example, a person who responds bad to meet you instead of the usual glad to meet you may be revealing true feeling. The substitution of bad for glad is more than slip of tongue. It is an expression of the person's unconscious. Feeling of fear or dislike. 2. Alderfield's ERG theory. Look at this picture. E. Existence. G. Growth. R. Relatedness. Existence needs include all materials and physiological desires. Relatedness need encompasses social and external extreme relationships. Growth needs internal extreme and self-actualization. These impulse a person to make creative. Look at this picture. Comparison with Abraham Maslow theory. Existence needs, including physiological needs, safety and security needs. Relatedness needs, including social needs and extreme needs. Growth needs, including self-actualization needs and extreme needs. 3. Two-factor theory. Frederick Herzberg approached the question of motivation in a different way. Two-factor theory, also known as Herzberg's motivation hygiene theory. Dual factor theory states that there are certain factors in the workplace that cause job satisfaction, while a separate set of factors cause dissatisfaction. Theorized that job satisfaction and job dissatisfaction act independently of each other. This table, hygiene factors and motivation factors. Hygiene factors including company policy, supervision, relationship, working conditions, salary, security. Motivators, achievement, recognition, interesting work, increased responsibility, advancement and growth. Look at this picture. Comparison with Abraham Maslow theory. Hygiene factors including basic biological needs, safety and security, belonging and love. Motivators or motivation factors, self-actualization, self-esteem. 4. Reinforcement theory. Reinforcement theory describes 4 interventions to modify employee behavior. Reinforcement theory proposes that you can change someone's behavior by using reinforcement, punishment, extinction. Rewards are used to reinforce the behavior you want, and punishment are used to prevent the behavior you do not want. Extinction is a means to stop someone from performing a learned behavior. This table, positive reinforcement, positive behavior followed by positive consequences. Manager praise the employee. Negative reinforcement, positive behavior followed by removal of negative consequences. Manager stops nagging the employee. Punishment, negative behavior followed by negative consequences. Manager demotes the employee. Extinction, negative behavior followed by removal of positive consequences. Manager ignores the behavior. 5. McGregor theory of X and Y, developed by Douglas McGregor, describe 2 constructing models of motivation and organizational behavior. Theory X, Theory Y are theories of human motivation and management, initially presented at a management conference in 1957 and developed during the 1960s. These 2 theories describe constructing models of workforce motivation applied by managers in human resource management, organizational behavior, organizational communication, and organizational development. According to this model, the two opposing set of general assumptions of how workers are motivated from the basis for two different managerial styles. McGregor theory X and Y. Look at this. Theory X, work avoiding, need to control, avoid responsibility, workers seek security. Theory Y, work is natural, capable of self-direction, seek responsibility, can make good decisions. Look at this picture, theory X, theory Y. 6. Chris Argyris theory. According to Argyris, individuals, if they are to develop into mature people over the year, this theory focuses on single and double loop learning. The immaturity, maturity continuum, organizational communication, and the effect of each of these on employee, motivation, accountability, and empowerment. Immaturity, maturity. Immaturity, inactiveness, maturity, activity. Immaturity, dependence, maturity, independent. Immaturity, few way of behavior, maturity, diverse behavior. Immaturity, slow interest, maturity, deep interest. Immaturity, short-term perspective, maturity, long-term perspective. Immaturity, subordinate position, maturity, subordinate position. Immaturity, lack of self-control, maturity, self-control. Comparison of motivation theories. Look at this. Herzberg two-factor theory, Maslow's hierarchy need theory, Alderfer ERG theory, higher order needs, lower order needs, intrinsic motivation, extrinsic motivation. Stages of behavioral modification. Step 1. Identify behavior to be modified. Step 2. Measure the baseline level. Step 3. Analyze it and outcomes. Step 4. Intervene. Step 5. Evaluate and maintain. Thank you. Have a nice day.